let's see what's inside of this thing, Marcus. Whoa, okay, plastic. I see plastic. I think we're gonna have to flip it over, dude. Okay, just drop it.
I ripped it.
It's okay, dude. Just a box. Okay, flip it over and then pick it up here. Let's see what comes out of that thing. Oh, watch out. Watch your feet. Whoa. Whoa, dude.
Okay, I just broke it.
That's the best unboxing that you've done.
I broke it.
You didn't break it, dude. It's just, I think you got to put it together is what it looks like. Because it's actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. Let's see. Let's check out these washers and stuff. Okay, so this is like a pretty heavy plastic washer. Definitely not that light. So it's got a good weight to it. Looks like this is some, oh, scores with this. The bean bags. Bean bags are pretty good too. Good size and good weight. All right, Marky, I guess let's figure out how to put this thing together. All right, some kind of rules and specifications. What is all this about? Okay, it looks like it's for different kind of games, maybe. So I guess this is just it looks like a general book for all the GoGator games. All right, let's see, what else? What is this? Oh, okay, look at that. It comes with a little toolkit. All right, so we got to put this thing together somehow. Okay, find the paper that shows you how to put them together. There we go, that's probably it. All right, so the first step is done, is to connect them together. And then the next part looks like we're gonna put these screws into it. And here. And then we put these screws in here. So we got the labels on. That looks nice. So the next part, Marcus, is what, the scores?
Yep.
So Marcus is finishing up the score screws. And I think that's all the screws, bro. There's no more screws left, so maybe this is it. All right, Marcus, so that's it for the assembly. So now all we got to do is pull the legs out and put them in there. And now you got ourselves a stand. So we're gonna have one for the bean bags and one for the washers. So what do you want to play first, the bean bags or the washers?
The bean bag.
Let's say about to here. That's pretty good. Okay, you go first, I guess. Ooh, close. Nice. Whoa, bro, that was super close. Oh, okay, it's my turn. There we go. Okay, I think it has something to do with me holding the camera also. Oh, score! Score, bro. Look at that. Red is in the hole. Okay, Marcus, so was that fun?
Yeah.
So let's go to the next game, which is the washer throwing. So for some reason you only get 3 washers, but I guess that's okay. So I'm yellow this time and you're red?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe you should get a little closer. Huh? Pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, we missed, bro. Marcus, what do you think about this?
Awesome.
Yeah, it is awesome. So it looks like we're going to be having a lot of fun today and many days to come. The summer's long, so we got to do something, and this is definitely fun. Okay, so everything's back together, and apparently all you got to do is grab one of them and hope nothing falls out of it. And then you just lock it, kind of like a big case. And that's it. And then you got a handle here to carry it. So it becomes like a suitcase.